Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can edit videos for TikTok. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. I use Capcut for this tutorial. First, you have to open Capcut in your computer, and if you don't have Capcut, you just go to your browser and tap on search for Capcut download, and you can see the first option, the official Capcut web page, and download that software. Then after installing and opening, you can see this kind of interface. Then after, you just tap on new project, then it will open the Capcut studio. Then you have to first import the video you need to make for TikTok. Just tap on import. I like to use this video for this, and you need to click and drag this video into timeline. You can see this is a 16:9 video, but TikTok allows to 9:16 frame. So to change that, okay, you can see this is the option called crop. Okay, just tap on it. Then you can see there is an option called crop ratio. It is currently free. Just tap on it and tap on 9:16. This is the TikTok version, and you can drag this window to record your video. I like to it is as keep this as it is. Then after, you can tap on confirm. Now you can see the video area is this, and this is the TikTok video size, and you can trim the video or split the video. To split your video, just place the marker you need to split, then tap on here, then it will be make the video into two parts. Okay, after change the ratio and do the processing to your video. Then after, you can I will show you some editing also. You can add effect. Just tap on effect, and I like to use I like to use this one. Okay, just download this one. Okay, now you just need to place the where you want. You can just play that video clip by using this. Okay, you can see this effect are working, and also you can use transition for between two video clips. I like to use this fold over and drag and drop into your place that video is splitting into two parts, and play the video how it looks like. Okay, it is working. Now you can add text here. You can have a lot of effect here, kind of edit you can do. Then after, you can go to media and tap on import, and you can import the audios. To do that, go to your audio folder. In my case, it is in download folder. Just tap on it, go to music and liquid time, and you have to drag and drop it here, and you need to just trim that audio. Okay, editing is completed, and you can see there is okay, now it is completely edited. If you need more editing, you can use these options, filters, stickers, and kind of things. After you complete the editing, you can just tap on export, and you can add the title for this. I like to keep it as it is, and you can increase the quality. I like to increase it 1080p, and bitrate also same, and other thing also same. Okay, then after, you can just tap on export. Now according to your device performance, it will take small time. So you can see the video is exporting. After export, you can use that video for TikTok. So this is all about today's video. I hope you get some knowledge from this. Thank you very much.